We are in conversation with Mr. Mohanty of LIC, the chairperson at the headquarters in Mumbai, the LIC headquarters. Very beautiful, premises, Mr. Mohanty. The numbers have actually come in slightly better than what the street is estimating. But two areas I would like to start the discussion with, where management, the market is looking for some clarity from the management side. One is on VNB margins. Do you see they came in slightly 1 or 2 basis, 100 basis points lower than what the street was estimating? Do you see improvement, scope of improvement in your margins in the next few coming quarters?
You see, we have shown 60 basis points growth over last year. Last year it was 16.2 in VNB margin. This time it is 16.8%. So from now onwards, there will be definitely growth. Our expectation will be at least 2 to 3% more in margin. That is our target for the current year.
Okay. So one more thing, we are always, talking to top institutional investors, which are the biggest shareholders of yours and domestic. One clarity which a lot of people are expecting is that the divergence in face value change in balance sheet and overall movement in embedded value. What would your clarification be for the market on that? In this quarter, it was observed.
Now you see, last we have moved from 5,82,000 crore to 7,27,000 crore. So, and a very huge growth in our Indian embedded value.
Correct.
And that comprises all our business as well as all other factors which contribute to growth. So that growth rate will continue. So market should trust us, and further growth will be there. At least I expect a 10% further growth in IEV in the current year.
Excellent. The other thing is that new product launches. You are planning a slew of new products and wanting to gain market share further because there is a lot of competition on the ground. So in which area would the new product launches be in? We understand you also have looking at health insurance as well. So can you share some more data on that?
So far products are concerned, last year we introduced 7 new products and mostly in non-par segment, for which we could get some good contribution from this segment in non-par, and non-par share to AP it grew to 18.32%. From 8.89 it grew to 18.32% because we launched a new product and there was a directional change in our approach to marketing, approach to product mixing. And current year, of course, focus will be to cater to certain segments, and a specific product will be designed for those segments. For example, for banca, we plan to design some bank-specific product, banca-specific product. And for lower segment also, rural area, tier 3 cities, marginal people, separate insurance product with auto cover, that will also be launched in the current year. So if you see in totality, some new products will also contribute to achieve our strategic goal in the current year.
Right. So the other thing is when we speak to finance ministry, they sound very upbeat about LIC in particular, especially about the now the leaps you're taking towards technology upgradation, both internally in your processes, and also externally dealing with the client side. Can you share what what direction is LIC taking? And your super app is also due. We did exclusive story. Can you tell us more about it?
Actually, last year we have undertaken one digital transformation project, total digital transformation of all our operations, and we have named it Project DIV. DIV, Digital Innovation and Value Enhancement. That project is underway. It is 18 months project. Some milestones we have identified, and now time has come to achieve one milestone after another. And once that project is totally completed, you will find a totally new LIC where absolutely, I think 95% less paperwork. I cannot say 100%, but 90 to 95% no paperwork. And today also, we are able to complete policies without paper, without wet signature. Last year, we completed 11,58,000 policies through our Ananda mobile app, which is available with agent. Agent having one smartphone and customer at his place a smartphone. Both are separate in their respective places, and in a matter of 10 to 12 minutes, proposal starting from customer onboarding, eKYC verification, RTGS NEFT payment, underwriting, receipt issue and policy issue Everything mattered to 10 to 12 minutes. Last year we completed 11,58,000 policies, and it is totally paperless. No wet signature also, no afterward paperwork.
Excellent.
So this year we want to scale it up. Now we have launched Ananda version 2, in which now policy is completed in matter of 5 to 6 minutes. One policy is completed. Already our agents have started more than 1,000 policies we have completed in very recent time. So objective will be, current year focus will be on total digital transformation technology, but at the same time we want to also enable our agents through technology. We have taken a project, agency transformation project also, digital transformation, also agency transformation.
And so your super app will be launched by September, October?
So that actually work going on. I am hopeful in the current year, before December it will be definitely launched. Yes.
Okay, great. And so what about on-ground competitive intensity? How are things on ground? What kind of growth initiatives are you taking? Either number of agents will be hiked for penetration. What exactly are some of the initiatives you are taking?
There is, of course, because the more players are there, so competition will be tough day by day. But looking to LIC and our magnitude of operation, we are there and we want to expand further. Agency is our strength. Agency channel is dominant channel, but we want to strengthen it further without losing focus on alternate channel, banca, alternate channel, as well as the digital marketing. Those will be focus areas, and those will take time to grow. But our strength is agent. We will continue to have it continue for agency strength.
You're also winding up the financial year, which is FY25, FY24, now starting FY25. So what are the parameters, on what metrics, what kind of improvement have you targeted for the new year in terms of operating metrics as well as the growth?
You see, focus will be on both areas, profitability as well as top line.
Okay.
Both we have to focus, because the last 2-3 years post listing, we focused on profitable growth.
Yes.
So there has been directional change in our approach to marketing, like launching new non-par products, increasing share of non-par, increasing share of non-par in AP, margin, all those things. But we lost some 2-3% in market share top line. So this year focus will be
to regain that market share?
To regain the market share without compromise on
profits.
profitable growth, because we have to create value for all our stakeholders. So that will be the focus.
So one last question, because you are also the largest financial institution in the country, also participate in the markets. How much participation was there in the year gone by in FY24? How much did you invest in the markets, and in FY25 how much will you?
You see, if you see our market value of our investment equity, it will be almost 4% of total market cap, almost nearly 3 point something, near close to 4%. And equity wise, we use every year more than lakh crore in equity.
That will continue.
And the debt also more than 70-80,000 crore in
that
debt
growth
market. So that growth last year we had good growth both in equity as well as in debt, more than 40 to 45% growth in debt market, and equity also good growth rate is there.
All right, so thank you very much and good luck for the new year, sir.
My pleasure. Thank you.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.